everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another unit we just got in stock. This is a 2018 Cargo Craft 8.5 by 18 Elite V Sport in a charcoal blackout package. This one also has a bonus because it's got the spread torsion axles. So you guys can see you've got two 3,500 pound torsion axles underneath it, which is going to give you guys an independent suspension. And then by spreading them apart, it can cut down on wagging and swaying that can occur. So this unit right here is going to tow and ride amazing. You also have the diamond plate rock guard all along the bottom and the black V-nose guard, so that's a bonus, gives you guys some good rock protection there. Triple tube extended tongue, so you're gonna have a nice turning radius. Side door does come with an RV lock and cam bar, so you got double lock protection there. Overhead gutter on that side door. Again, there's your torsion spreads with the aluminum wheels. Side vents and stabilizer jacks underneath this trailer. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close, so it is easy to open and close the rear ramp door. You also have the very cool black diamond plate wrap around the rear door jamb, overhead gutter of course, and then all LED running and tail lights with this unit. 7-foot interior height, so you do have the extra height that you'll need for razors and UTVs and those sort of things. You also have the amazing nudo floor. Nudo floor is this great performing floor here on top, which is the black surface that you see. It's super durable, and then underneath has Drymax. Drymax is the product that does not absorb the water or the moisture like wood does, so it's a much better product to have on the underneath side of your trailer, and you get that double bonus with doing this type of floor here. Now this one's got E-Track all over it, so you've got lots of different tie down points here. You've got a strip down the center, strips down the full length of the exterior, and then up in the V. So again, unlimited tie down points as far as that goes with the floor here. Side vents, you've got one here at the back, another one up there in that upper left corner. This one also has a roof vent. It is braced for AC, so it does have the extra framing right there. So if you guys ever wanted to add that, the structure is already right there. And it does have the Maxx Air bubble cover over it, so it won't leak water in if you guys have that open, which is a nice bonus. This one also has a little upper cabinet up here, great for helmets, tie downs, whatever you need in the trailer. Here is your second side vent up there as well. Good look at the E-Track in the nose. Light switch right here is going to run both of your little LED puck lights. These are really bright, efficient lights. We love these lights, and you've got two of them in here, and they'll turn right on again with that switch. Backside of the RV lock gives you guys this piece, which is a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. And you've got a full 18 feet in this unit, so a 16-foot box plus a 2-foot V, giving you 18 feet of total length. So here it is, very nice trailer. It's loaded out with a lot of different goodies in it and set up with tons of tie down points and the extra height. Plus you've got that optimal towing with having the torsion spread package. So here it is. We'd love to earn you guys' business as always. 303-688-8485, or check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com.